Ready, my friend?
Ready. Now.
Come out of the truck now. We have to run.
Run? What's happening?
No time, move!
Why did you throw the stone? You almost took my life.
I was trying to move it. It was an accident. There's a big chance of tsunami. We have to run now to save ourselves. That's my lion shirt. I have to find him. It's drifting away. We have to go after it.
Now hit like, subscribe, otherwise Mesmal know I've had push store.
Where is my lion? Who have thrown you here?